Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm back with another DIY video. In today's video, I will be recreating this expensive flower vase in less than 100 rupees. So keep on watching till the end. But before starting the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it with your friends and family. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To make this planter, I am using an empty plastic box. Remove the wrapper and clean the container thoroughly and keep it aside. As always, I am using Fevicryl molded clay. It is readily available, but I will give the link in the description box. Mix the clay well until you achieve a uniform white color. Now take a plastic sheet and sprinkle some talcum powder over it before placing your clay so that it does not stick to the surface, and start rolling it out. Make sure you don't flatten the clay way too much. Place the clay onto the container. Now using your fingers, start giving texture to the clay. I am using pinching motion to make the grooves and ridges of a tree's bark. You will have to use quite a lot of water to smooth the clay surface as you make the design. I'm making a rough design using a toothpick. It will guide me as to where I need to pinch and where to make the groove. I have added the inspiration pic on the screen so you can refer to it while making your own planter. Continue doing this pinching and smoothing technique until you are satisfied with your product. I used 3 packets of clay for this project. Each packet costs around 30 rupees. That means I spent 90 rupees in total. However, this planter retails for 1250 rupees. So it's safe to say that we made it in almost 10% of the MRP, which is great, I believe. As you can see, I have a little bit of extra clay. So what I am doing is making clay snakes with it and placing on the surface where I feel the texture is little less, because I want to make more textured look. I am blending these extra pieces using fingers and toothpick. Using clay is so fun and relaxing. You can add as much or as little design as you want. It's totally up to you. Now that I am satisfied with the design, I am letting it dry completely.
Many hours later.
See, it's nice and dry, so let's start painting it. I'm using Fevikryl's dark brown acrylic paint. Give 2 thick coats of paint. After it is dried, I am mixing yellow and brown paint and highlighting the ridges. This will make it look more realistic. Adding these small details make all the difference. After the paint dries, apply varnish. Look how pretty this planter has turned out. I really like it. Comment down below what do you think about it. And if you like it, please give it a try. It's very easy and fun. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with more such videos really soon. Bye.